Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Combo Toolkit is probably one of the most versatile and essential purchases you can make, whether you're a seasoned professional tackling complex repairs or a DIY enthusiast taking on weekend projects around the house. This video will help you navigate the world of combo toolkits, uncovering the features and functionalities that truly matter, ensuring you choose the perfect kit that meets your specific needs and budget, and ultimately empowers you to conquer any project with confidence and precision. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max *7 Tool Combo Kit. This kit is a game changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It's packed with 7 powerful tools to tackle any job. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, easily fitting into tight spaces. Its high-performance motor delivers impressive power for a wide range of tasks. This impact driver is also compact, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. It's built to handle even the toughest jobs with ease. The keyless blade clamp makes blade changes quick and easy, without ever touching the blade itself. It's ready to tackle any cutting project. With its 6-to-1 2-inch carbide blade, it can cut through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in just one pass. This saves you time and effort. Its variable speed control lets you adjust the speed to match your project. Get a smooth, even finish every time. The 3-speed selector gives you precise control for various applications. It's the ultimate tool for versatility. Enjoy your tunes on the job site. It runs off your DEWALT 12V 20V Max * battery packs. Power and music, all in one. What we like. It boasts a compact and lightweight design, perfect for tight spaces. The powerful motor handles various tasks with ease. If you need a versatile kit for various projects in confined areas, this is the one for you. What people say. Sander is working great, jigsaw has worked very well. Very happy with the impact drill. Everything is as it should be and is an almost perfect kit for home use. Batteries last long enough to get the job done, and I have one for every job I need to do. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 18V Combo Kit. This kit is a game changer for any serious DIYer or professional. It includes everything you need to tackle a wide range of projects with ease and efficiency. It effortlessly drills through various materials, from softwoods to masonry. The multiple settings give you complete control over your work. This saw makes quick work of branches, lumber, and more. The quick change blade system lets you switch tasks in seconds. It drives lag bolts and other fasteners with ease. The variable speed trigger and LED light ensure precision and visibility. This light is perfect for any job site. Its adjustable head and stable base provide versatile and hands-free illumination. The kit comes with 2 extended capacity batteries and a fast charger. RedLink Intelligence protects your tools and maximizes battery life. What we like. This kit includes a heavy-duty hammer drill ideal for tough materials. The reciprocating saw cuts through various materials effortlessly. If you frequently work with masonry or need a powerful saw and a bright work light, this is a great option. What people say. It is an excellent quality and has not failed at any task I put it up to. The hacksaw was a great idea. I love how compact and powerful it is. I use the drill daily to drill holes in pipe and it never has any trouble. The batteries charge quickly and last a long time. It is very convenient to have the power level on the batteries. The bag is heavy-duty and durable as well. I packed it with the cordless kit, all my hand tools, and 2 18-pipe wrenches and carry it on my shoulder up 5 stories every day. This set had the battery-powered hacksaw that almost replaces the need for a sawzall. I have extensively used the hacksaw, which is now a routine part of my travel tool set. I obtained a bush saw blade for the hacksaw that I frequently use for trimming bushes and landscape work. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 9-Tool Combo Kit. Let's get started by taking a look at everything included in this powerful combo kit. You'll find 9 essential tools, 3 high-capacity batteries, a fast charger, and a convenient carrying bag. This kit is built on the legendary Milwaukee M18 platform. It delivers the performance and runtime you need to tackle any job, big or small. Inside, you'll discover a comprehensive selection of tools, including a drill, impact driver, sawzall, and more. It's everything you need for a variety of applications. 4.0 batteries provide extended runtime, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. You can power through even the most demanding tasks. It's designed for durability and reliability, built to withstand the rigors of professional use. It's an investment that will pay off for years to come. The included bag keeps everything organized and easily portable. You'll always have the right tool at your fingertips, ready for action. What we like. It offers a comprehensive set of 9 tools, covering most DIY needs. The inclusion of multiple batteries ensures extended usage. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your workshop, this kit is a perfect choice. What people say. Items received all work and perform perfectly. Great items and just as described. Definitely worth the money. Number 2. Makita XT616PT Combo Kit. This 6-piece combo kit is the ultimate solution for your power tool needs. It's designed for efficiency and long-lasting performance. It features a brushless motor, which means it runs cooler, lasts longer, and uses less battery power. Experience extended runtime and improved efficiency. Get the job done without constantly worrying about recharging. This kit provides up to 50% longer runtime compared to brushed motors. The hammer driver drill offers variable speeds for precision and power. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The impact driver delivers incredible torque for tough jobs, yet it remains surprisingly lightweight. It features a 3-speed power selection switch for optimal control. This kit combines power, efficiency, and convenience. It's the perfect choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. It features a brushless motor for increased efficiency and longer battery life. The tools deliver impressive power and performance. If you value efficiency and extended runtime on a single charge, this kit is for you. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7 Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7 Tool Combo Kit. It's the ultimate solution for professionals who demand power and performance. This kit has everything you need to tackle any job. You get 7 tools, all powered by the reliable M18 fuel platform. Experience the unmatched power and runtime of the brushless motor. It delivers exceptional performance on even the toughest tasks. 2 5.0 batteries provide extended runtime, so you can work longer without interruption. It's designed for all-day productivity. It's built with heavy-duty materials for lasting durability. This kit is designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. 2 tool bags keep everything organized and easily accessible. This kit makes transporting and storing your tools a breeze. The included charger ensures you're always ready to go. It quickly recharges your batteries, minimizing downtime. What we like. This kit is equipped with a brushless motor for optimal performance and longer life. The high-capacity batteries provide extended use. If you prioritize durability and long-lasting power, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Been using Milwaukee tools for about 4 years now as tractor-trailer mechanic. Awesome tools, wide selection of tools to choose from to get job done. Everything I've touched of Milwaukee has been top-notch. There is nothing like a fuel Milwaukee tool to get her done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.